after you must have sewn that rope, then the next is to lock the band. So let's now start locking the band. Then you must have made sure you also open press the back center panel, and then you start from here and lock the band. Start from here to lock the band. Make sure that the elastic is being tucked in properly. The elastic must be folded inside properly. So now you start from there and stitch on the edge of the fabric. Stitch all through this way. Stitch all through this way. So make sure that your hands must be straight as well. You are stretching the fabric. Stretch the fabric in order to make the band to lap properly. And then lock it all out to this very point. So the moment you have sewn that, the back becomes elastic automatically, right? And then lock out through the front panel, and this is what you have. So now, after which, the next to do now is to stitch at the midpoint of the band at the back. Now the reason for the stitching is to make sure that the elastic gives you that boxers-like effect. You see the feeling, right? Then you must make sure you stretch the fabric whilst sewing this particular threading. You are stitching across or on top of the elastic at the back. So make sure you drag the fabric very well and stitch all through to this very point. So stitch an end at that side line. The both side lines will be your guide where to stop. So after this, cut your threads in this form. Cut your threads, and this is what you'll be having. Then the next to do now is to lock the inner leg. You hold the short in this form and apply your measurements and lock the legs accordingly. So here you apply your knee and your laps, then lock it across. So usually it's going to be sewn by less than half an inch range thereabout. Half an inch is what you use to stitch it once you have followed the process of the drafting stage. So lock it all through this way to this very point and end it at that point where you had left open from the beginning. Cut your threads. Cut your threads. So the next will also be to lock the other leg, making sure it's being held properly this way, and then you sew down as well. Hold it there and stitch. Stitch all through this way, making sure it's ending at that point where it was left open. Then later on, you will now lock the back crotch area alongside the front crotch area. Now you try to open it and join them in this form. Open them this way and then stitch. This is how you do that. So the least but not the last, you are going to fold and iron, put your buttonhole and your button on it, and you are good to go. You open press the inner leg this way, open press it properly, open press the second one as well, open press it as well properly, and then the next to do will be to fold for hemming, then iron out the body. You iron out properly this way, iron everything out, making sure that it's well relaxed, and then you fold the length of your choice, and then you're good to go. So I do hope you enjoyed the tutorial. So look at the finishing we have at this area. This is how it is, see how stretchy the back panel is. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.